Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Come on Rosie. Yeah, just out with the dogs at the moment. So it's Friday today. I'm off today, tomorrow and Sunday. So I've got my long weekend. Get a long weekend off every other weekend, which is fantastic. It really is. Gives me time to spend time with these two. And hopefully get out later tonight in the van. Not sure where we're going to go, but yeah, just fancy getting away for the night. Woke up this morning, it was actually snowing. It's stopped now and it's just very wet. So yeah, see what the weekend holds. Apparently tomorrow, well tonight, tomorrow, it's supposed to be a bit drier, but very cold. Down to -4 here in Preston. So yeah, let's see how that goes. So we're very lucky to have this massive park on our doorstep near where we live, so we can come and walk the dogs. Yes, everything's just wet again. I hate British winter, I really do. I'm just not built for this kind of cold weather. Bring on sunshine. Got a busy afternoon this afternoon though. So yeah, as I was saying, busy day today. Got to go and get fitted for my wedding suit. Eldest daughter gets married in a couple of months, so I'll be actually going getting some warmth. She's getting married in Cyprus, which I can't wait. Just need to feel some heat. Absolutely fed up with this weather. We've got a few trips coming up, unfortunately not in the van. So next month, off to Berlin for a weekend. Lisa's working today, it's Friday. You will see her later on in the video. Gonna go and take some dinner later, so yeah, we might do that. All right, see you guys in a bit.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single time. This is how it goes. This is how it goes.
So I just had a bacon and sausage butty from the van over there. Got to say, spot on. Not bad for a fiver either. All right. At least it stopped raining, but it's so cold. Alright, let's go and get a sandwich for Lisa and take her a dinner. Hi again guys, still Friday. So Lisa's now finished work. It's about, time we on? Just after 6 o'clock, about 10 past 6. And as you can see, it's absolutely pitch black, dark. So we're all packed up.
Ready to go and see the stars.
And we're going to head up to the Lake Districts and just see where we end up. Alright, see you in a bit guys.
Exciting.
Why are you making all that noise, Rosie?
I think that's
There you go, Bum Bum. Hey. Finally parked up and all nice and cosy. So we've parked up near Bowness on Windermere. Dogs are all nice and cosy as well. Where's Rosie? I can't see Rosie.
Just behind my legs somewhere.
Can't see it properly, but yeah. We'll see you in the morning. Night.
Night.
Morning. So just woke up. We're currently parked up in a very cold and frosty Windermere. We went up to Hodge Close last night to see if we could stop up there, but it was just we couldn't really stop or overnight park. So yeah, we decided to come back down and park up round here. Let me just turn the camera around. So this is the view this morning. There's Ronnie. I just set the engine going because it's freezing. I don't know if you can see on the distance there. See on the hill. You can see the snow. And I've walked down to the water's edge in a minute so you can see the sun coming up. Have a walk up here. So it was so cold last night. Because don't forget, excuse me, we've no heating in the van. The only heat source we've got when we're not hooked up is we've got the electric blanket, but when I run that off the leisure battery, anyway, it doesn't go all night. So the leisure battery and the inverter have got a power cut off for safety to stop the battery getting too low. So yeah, that cut off at about 3:30, 4 o'clock this morning. Look at this for a view. This is stunning. This is what we do this for. I just right, I've not got my gloves on or anything and my hands are freezing, so I'm going to have to put you guys down now.
Good morning from the van. I've literally just woke up a few minutes ago, but it's really cold. John's just nipped out with the dogs for a wee, but John's put the van on because the blanket ran out. The battery ran out about 4 o'clock in the morning, so we was relying just on the covers and the doggos keeping us warm. And it was all right actually, but it is cold as soon as you put the covers on.
You need to get up and see this view.
It does look very pretty. I need a wee. So I'm just videoing.
Right.
Come here, Bam.
You get the dogs then. Just come up, just get the gloves on.
Oh right, okay. Oh, was it cold out there? So I'm not going to video while I have a wee wee. So I will return soon. Oh, see you in a bit. Oh, having a bit of a cat lick mark wash today. Ideal, but Bonnie, Rosie, this way. Good girl. Oh, I've warmed up a bit now. I've had a brew. Bonnie, don't drink the milk. I'm going to feed the dogs, and then I'll show you all where we are and how pretty a morning it is. Just looked out the window and it's just beautiful. So watch this first.
Have you got a towel?
Eh?
Towel?
You want a towel? So we'll catch up soon.
Morning again, guys. I had to go get my hat and my gloves. It's so cold, but God, I'm so pleased we stuck it out and stayed over last night. This is stunning. Just picked my brew up. I've just left my brew on the bench here. So I've just left Lisa in the van getting dressed. Dogs have been out for a walk. That view is something else.
We're back. We had to just readjust the camera a minute.
I've still got my gloves on. I am absolutely freezing, so I am warming up now.
I got my coffee, but we've got coffee this time and we bought a big flask and it's not that hot.
It's not great.
I know it's warm, but anyway, we'll have a hot coffee later then.
So you guys will have already seen the view from my perspective when I've just been outside and just done a little bit of filming on my camera. Oh my God, the views are stunning. Lisa's still not been outside yet.
I've seen it from a distance.
Yeah, but it's like to see it for yourself. As the sun's coming up on that side, and as you look that way over over Windermere, you can see as the sun's like starting to come and like just on the top of the mountains, and the actual mountains are all covered in snow. It looks absolutely stunning. It looks so good.
Is it covered in snow or is it just icy?
I don't know. It's just white. What are you doing, Rose? Don't lick the milk bottle, Rosie.
Don't lick the milk. You want your breakfast now, don't you? We're going to attempt to feed the dogs.
Before we do that, I'm going to put my jeans on, so I'll stand outside while we do that.
Put your jeans on?
No, we'll put my jeans back.
Even my jeans, when I was getting dressed, they were so cold. I'm literally like,
When we've got the bed pulled out to the full length, it takes up an extra 3 foot of room, floor space that we did have in here that we've now not got. So it makes a big difference.
It's a bit of a squeeze, isn't it? But at least we've got a big double bed to sleep in.
And we did actually nearly, well, I don't know what time was it this morning, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock? Yeah. I think it was about 1 o'clock. I was, you know when you just get so tired?
You're a bit restless as well.
I was tired, I was grumpy.
You had too much caffeine.
I had too much caffeine all day yesterday. So what do? Wake up and I drink more coffee, but hey ho. Yeah, I drunk too much coffee throughout the day and I was literally, oh God, I just couldn't sleep. I was restless. I was ready for bailing. At 1 o'clock I'm thinking, forget it, we're going home. Anyway, I thought I managed to find a comfort position, went to sleep.
It's really because of the dog situation, but we can't.
Yeah, the dogs don't.
I was explaining before that we can't put the dogs' beds on the floor because it's just too cold. Too cold.
When it's this cold, this is the first time we've camped in this kind of temperature. I mean, woke up this morning at -3, -4, so it is so cold. The engine's been running now for about what, 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes, just so we can warm things up. But
Rosie, stop licking the milk.
Rosie keeps licking the milk. Right, we're gonna have to stop here. Let's get the dogs fed and we'll get packed up and we'll see you in a bit. I'm not sure what we're doing or where we're going yet today, because the roads might be a little bit icy. We were going to go back up to Hodge Close and to Cathedral Cave, but I think that might be a bit sketchy this morning. So
really?
Yeah. You what?
You don't think we'll get up there?
Not if it's this frosty, we won't.
Oh. A big crow staring at us. A big bird.
Hello, Mr. Crow.
Massive.
It's big. Right, we'll see you in a bit. I'll press pause.
Bye.
So after I'd finished my coffee and we got back in the van, for some reason the handbrake seemed to be seized a little bit, and yeah, it wouldn't move. It was smoking, or there was loads of smoke coming out the back of the van, but eventually it did seem to free itself up. So touch wood, doesn't cause me any more issues, but van's going in for a service in the next 2 weeks anyway.
Aira Force.
I was just testing that. Right, it's better than it was, it is. That's released itself. We jumped home for service, isn't it?
So we've just parked up again, been for a bit of a drive before our walk, and now we're gonna have some breakfast. More prepared, kind of. John's just gone sorting the parking out and the dogs. Here the bird is. It's a beautiful morning. There's the other one. Literally, something in my eyes, and now my eyes are sore. So, yogurt and fruit for breakfast. Very organised. There we go. Oops. Save some for the doggos. And a empty stick for the dogs when they come back. And I need another wee. This is like becoming a real problem. Yeah?
You want to do that Aira Force waterfall? It's 34. It's about 35 minutes from here. Taking a different route.
Yeah. As long as the roads.
We'll just have a bit of a quick walk here with dogs.
Yeah.
Without going too far. I just have to go and pay for parking.
Right, there you go.
I'm not paid for parking yet.
Right. What, for here? Do you want your breakfast now or sort the parking?
I'll just go and sort parking. Can you just...
Right, see you in a bit.
So where are we walking?
I think to Grasmere, but
We're not sure. We just started off up round. I can't even see anything now. Down there, called White Moss Car Park, near where we've done Rydal Caves in the past, but we've walked a different route today, so we'll see where we end up.
I'm so cold.
That's why I'm trying to get up into the sun.
I think I might need to like do a run or something, you know, to warm up. Maybe some star jumps.
Yeah, possibly.
Come on, Dad. Come on. Just get warm. Not going in the cold, Ronnie. Yeah.
Yeah.
The castle. Yeah, both on it. Rosie. Oh, you're such a good girl. You're so pretty. I've got no treats.
No treats today.
You're in the van. Good girl. We're going. Come on.
Come on, let's keep going.
Let's run up the hill. Come on. Let's get warm.
It's so cold. What a way to spend Valentine's Day. So tomorrow will be 35 years since me and Lisa got together. We actually exchanged Valentine's Day cards in 1991. It was the first year, and then because we worked across the road from each other in Oldham, and then on the 15th we met properly.
I'm not back now.
I'm just telling everybody about how we met and were, and the fact tomorrow's 35 years.
Oh, can you believe that?
So yeah, it's 35 years tomorrow.
Look, a robin. Oh no, it's not. It's not a robin.
It's just a bird.
It's just a bird.
So, all these logs here. So many people walking up towards Rydal Caves this morning. So, another reason that we've decided to do this walking instead.
You see?
I'm trying to get it.
Huh?
I'm trying to get it on video.
Huh? It's fine.
Can't see where it's gone now.
Yeah. Hello, Debbie. Do you know what? I bet if I brought for some bird seeds, it'd take that on my hand if it could see them.
Probably.
That's next to me. Let's bring a bag of bird seed.
Do what?
I'll bring a bag of bird seed.
A bag of bird seed?
Well, yeah. And then you put it in your hand and you do that. And then they come to you. But that was really friendly one.
I know. Nice, Ronnie.
Do you see Mum to the car before it's diamond there?
No.
Maybe it's the dog playing with the dog.
Probably. So oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
So this robin has been following us for the last, what, 10 minutes? Oh, there it goes. Gone.
No, it's only friend.
Oh. Oh, there he is. Wow, been following us for so long.
Yeah. Let's see if it falls as it were.
This one. Nice. Wow. Rosie.
Okay, yeah.
Where are we going now, Rosie? We were just in forward here, but I couldn't get my camera out quick enough. We're over there somewhere. Oop. Why are you going for the bigger bit, Rosie?
Good girl.
Rosie? Rosie?
Castle. Well done. Right, this way now. Come on.
Yeah, she's on the wrong side. Back at the van now, so we're just about to have a brew. Hello, Bon Bon. So,
Just had a pit stop. Had a biscuit.
kettle's boiling. So
Brew
yeah,
time.
time for a brew. We'll see you in a bit. Where's Rosie? What are you doing, Rosie? Oh, you're just looking. I would normally cut a lot of the driving out when I edit my videos, but at the moment the scenery around the drive today was too special to do that. So change your hat. We're now at, I think it's pronounced Aira Force. How would you say it, Lise?
I have no idea. Aira Force.
Aira Force Waterfalls. So yeah, near Ullswater now. After I was driving through the mountains. Where we going, Bon Bon? Yeah. Oh wow, I just see lots of steps.
I'm finding that we're not in order.
Out the mud. Come on, this side. Ooh. I don't know if you can see that from here.
It's like different levels, it's like
Yeah.
up there and another one,
There's
isn't it?
loads, isn't there? Right, let's keep going up the path. Look at that for a view of Ullswater. There's Lisa's bobble hat. Ha ha ha. Right, you feet. What are you doing, Bonnie? What's up with her?
Rosie seems to
Look
be
at her.
proper on one today. All the time we were out.
What's this?
Yeah, ready?
Which one now? Which one?
Right. Me too. The camera doesn't do that justice at all.
No, it doesn't. You need to be here, don't you?
Just having a breather.
No. This is a good resting point.
These steps are knocking me out. That's what we want.
Going in there, you can all right out. You're going down there.
Yeah. That's mad.
So after a really early start in the morning, we decided to head home. Just look at the face on Rosie. She's absolutely knackered.
Brian's been found.
What are you looking at?
My clients,